Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard with custard powder. First, gather your essential ingredients: custard powder, sugar, and milk. You'll also need a saucepan and a whisk for mixing. Make sure you have measuring cups and spoons on hand to ensure accurate proportions. This simple guide will help you create a delicious, creamy dessert with ease. Next, let's prepare the custard base. In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of custard powder with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then, gradually add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of cold milk. Whisk this mixture thoroughly until it forms a smooth, lump-free paste. This step is crucial for achieving a silky smooth custard later on, so take your time. Now, for the cooking process. Heat 500 milliliters of milk in a saucepan over medium heat until it's almost boiling. Once hot, slowly pour your prepared custard paste into the milk, whisking continuously. Keep stirring to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. Continue cooking for a few minutes until the custard thickens to your preferred consistency. Once your custard has reached the perfect thickness, remove it from the heat. You can serve it warm right away, perhaps over a delicious fruit crumble or a slice of cake. Alternatively, chill it in the refrigerator for a refreshing cold dessert. Enjoy your homemade, creamy custard, a simple treat that's always a crowd pleaser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.